Yes.
Rabbi, I had a question about this 20% that you can only donate 20%. I was wondering about, say, like Tikkunim, like someone has to do Tikkun or pay back for stealing, and also like about high holiday appeals and stuff like that.
So okay, so it's a very good question. So we're going to learn later on there are some exceptions that you're allowed to give 20%, more than 20% when somebody is sick. So somebody's brother is sick and he's dying and he needs a liver transplant. In a sense, and unless that person gave 50% of what like of his income, or 70%, the brother is going to die. So of course there is no brainer, you have to give. Understand? But under normal circumstances, because as our sages calculated this percentage, because as we said, because they saw in the holy vision, it can bring the whole substance of the person down. 20%. If it gives more than 20%. You understand? So people have steady income, but it sometimes there like hiccups for a month or 2 or 3. You understand? Or 4 or 5. I don't know, like stuff like that. So you have to like have some savings. Okay, Tikkun habrit. So again, it can go from this to 20% on high holidays. So yeah, you're allowed to give some extra, but again, it should not be too much, because again, the sages were concerned about the person's welfare. You understand? That's the thing. Okay, so that's just so you know, it's Judaism is the only religion that does so. All others say, yeah, of course, you give to our Yoshke, you give to Muhammad, you give to this, to that. So it's they're going to bless you. They're going to bless you, shmess you. You understand? They're going to suck all of the money from people. That's for them, it's normal, right? When we said when we made the clip, you don't know how many people, how many like curses we got. When we said there's somebody left us a commentary on one of the, I don't remember which video, but they say about rich people, right? So it says it's from somebody from Matthew or something, like it's rather the camel is going to go through the needle hole, then rich person is going to enter the Gan Eden. So like something like that, right? So and some people like I could not understand why like same. Of course, this sounds stupid, and then I look up. It's actually from Christian belief. So I made a video about that. You think I would not? Yeah. I said he has nothing to do. So I said the opposite is true. If you're a rich person, you have a lot of money, you have more opportunity to be holier, right? To get to Gan Eden, you can support all of the widows. So if I'm only working my job, I have my family to support. I have to pay for the tuition of my children, and I have to support my brother, my cousin, this and that, my elderly parents. So I would not be able to support like maybe one person a little like every 6 months or something. But this rich person, he can support many people. He can support yeshiva. He can build synagogue, like everything. You understand? So of course, all of these rewards would go to him. Support Kirov, so I said it depends what you do with this money. If you do right with this money, so it's a blessing, huge blessing for you. If you misuse this money, it's curse for you. So is it money good or not? It depends how you use it, but these are the Christians and these Muslims, they put in the mind of the people, even though they filthy rich, right? But they put, no, you have to be poor. If you're not poor, you're not going to go into Gan Eden, right? So it's like such a stupidity. And of course, we got so many attacks, and we had to block many people because they were cursing us, all of these things. And now I forgot to block the messages, but I see on my screen that the messages go. We went to this another video, like simple Judaism 101. We said that Satan, right? We said simply that that there is a misunderstanding of the Satan. Satan has 3 jobs, quickly, right? So he's Yetzer Hara, meaning he creates you obstacles. He's the one who is a prosecutor in heaven, and he's the one who is going to take your life when it's over, right? When it's time to go, right? And we said that is he bad? It depends on you. He's not pushing you, right? He maybe provide you with opportunity, but if you're going to overcome this test, so you're going to go to the higher spiritual level. So and all of the righteous people, right? They actually were friends with Yetzer Hara, right? With Satan. There is no problem. There is no contradiction because of this test, person goes up, right? Oh, you don't know how many people I blocked from this video. Maybe 50, maybe 70. I don't know. A lot of people. Muslims, Christians, they curse me, this and that. Unbelievable, because they say no, it's all because of Satan. So basically, they people do not want to be responsible for their action, and they say no, it's Satan. He's bad. He's against Hashem. So I said nobody. One more time. I said nobody's against Hashem. He's angel. He's a good soldier. He does his job. So I said the problem is with you, my dear, right? The problem is you because you cannot hold yourself from sin. Leave the Satan alone. So people went crazy. Baruch Hashem. So that's a quick shorts just for you life.